Hello all, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to see what is list comprehension and how to square the each number in the list using the list comprehension. So now if you see, this is the our input. We have one list that contain the item 1 2 3 4 5, and we want each number as list item as a square, like 1 into 1. So basically 1 into 1 1, 2 into 2. So if you say 1 into 1 1, then 2 into 2, so each number we want to multiply with the same number, and 3 into 3 9. So that output we want, right, by using list comprehension. How we can do that? So already I created one py file. So let's just store that file, save as that file as a list comprehension. I can make as a list comprehension, right? Now I can just take the our list from this input. Now let me open the Python file list comprehension, right? Now what in list comprehension, what we can do first, we need to declare the variable that we want to store the final result. Now what we can do, so just in list company, what we have to do, that is the first syntax. So what we have to do, we consider each item as x, so x into x, we want x into x. So this is the syntax. What we have to do, that is the first syntax, right? And right, on which list, like we have to do x into x, but we want to do on this, let me small it, we want to do on this list for x in lst, right? And we don't have the comma, we can give the space. This is the syntax. Like if you want, like we can close, but this is the syntax. So first thing is x into x for x in list. So first thing what we have to do, on which list we have to do. Then again we have one more syntax, like suppose if I give x divided by 2, we just want square for only even number like 2 and 4. At that time we can give this condition. Now if I just print this output, and if I run the code, you get the idea like what output we want. If I run the model regarding syntax, let me remove this one, no issue. And if I run the code, if you see, we got 1496, what we expected in our input, like output, right? Even though what we can do, we can perform any operation. Now suppose I just want to add each item as a 5 number, 6 number, any operation we can perform. So first, if you want, anyone ask how list comparison, first thing what we have to do, then space on which list we have to do, right? So that thing you have to write. Now suppose I just want to multiply with each item with 5, and then if I run the code, if you see, we got 1 into 5 5, 2 into 5 10, 3 into 5 15, 4 into 5 20, 5 into 5 25. And then like as I mentioned previously, if I just want to give the condition x divided by 2 equal to 0, let's see. And now what we can do, we want square, but we want square for only even number. Why it is showing the error? Maybe suppose, let's see the list comprehension syntax. Okay, let me go to the syntax list comprehension in Python, and if I do the syntax, so if I give the syntax, let me, for x we want for x in range events or x divided by 2 is equal to, let me, if, or no, for n in this one, let me check, let me, x is equal to 2 for num, for we want number for num, we need to give the condition or num list comparison. Let's see, just open the w3 school and let's see the syntax. uh, okay, we need to give the if condition. So basically that last part we need to give if condition, if, and if I, then the code. Now we just want square for 2 and 4, so we just forgot to give the if condition. So even the same thing we can do the dictionary comparison. First thing what we have to do, on which list we have to do, and this is the condition. So this one is you have to remember. First thing what we have to do, on which list we have to do, and what condition we want to give. So that is the list comprehension in Python. If you have any question, any doubt, please write down in comment, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you.